Tips on how to keep your engine clean. As Toyota 4x4 specialist, we have learned quite a lot about these magnificent beasts over the years. We want to share some tips and tricks with you on how to keep your engine clean. Before we get into it, here is why we think it's important that your engine is kept clean. Keeping your engine clean will help prevent it from rusting and any build-up of dirt. Here are some tricks to keep your car squeaky clean. Pick a day with great weather. Sunny days with low humidity and a nice breeze work best to help dry your engine after cleaning. Flip your car's bonnet and let the engine get some air for at least 15 minutes to ensure all components cool down. Remove any plastic covers and the battery negative terminal. This helps protect the electric components in case they get wet. You may also remove the entire battery if you prefer. Use plastic bags to cover all sensitive electronic components. Thoroughly apply degreaser onto the entire engine. Any kitchen cleaner will work well if you don't have a specific degreaser for your car. Now scrub off all the grease, dirt and dust. Use a power washer to rinse off. If you don't have a power washer, use the good old hosepipe. Wipe everything down with a dry towel and remove the plastic covers over the electronic components. Time to put back any parts you have removed. Repeat this process regularly to maintain a clean engine